Hello everyone, I'm OSU. This is my first video to YouTube. Today I will show you how to make a manual online with Type a Job. Many is not for rich, but for some extra again. You can use browser Chrome or Firefox. I use Firefox. Search for Talent Desire. On Talent Desire page, click on Talent to open it. You have this page. On the page, see medical transcription and other medical transcription jobs and online tutorial job. You see a lot. Then click on Online Type a Job. Yes, on Online Type a Job page, scroll down. There's a lot of jobs on the left side. Scroll down. Here, a lot of jobs. Then you will see payment. They get paid $3 to $6 per page. So $45 to $90 for 15 pages. Click on red button, Apply Now. You see, Reach to Apply Now page. Now scroll down. Here, Step 1, Step 2, then Step 1, select an application form. Click on that. Now you reach application form page. Then scroll down there. Here, Online Application Form and Offline Application Form. Now click on Online Application Form. See, you get this page, Online Application Form page. Then scroll down. You will see here. Then click on Fill in your details to apply and work with this. See, you got this page. You get the page, scroll down. You will see Privacy Policy. If you want to read, click on Privacy Policy. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Don't be shy. Here, to fill the form, click on Accept. It means you accepted the privacy policy. Then enter the personal information, first name, last name, your email account, your phone number, country zip code. If you don't know your country zip code, search on Google. Then enter professional information, preferred job title, you name it as freelancer or self-employer, the time you work for typing. Here, choose all day 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. sample payment. Here click on PayPal Pioneer, wire transfer or something. You can choose. Then scroll down. For current professional status, choose one. For me, I choose full-time. Then click on Yes, I have read and accept the above statement. Click on that. Then to take signature, click on. You use your name in small letter. Full name. Okay, click on. I'm not a robo. It means you are human. Last, submit the form. You have to wait for their reply for typing job, between 1 to 3 weeks. Then you will be paid for typing job. You should get job. These jobs are not 9 to 5 or day jobs. Soon, you can rest and relax with your friends and family members somewhere. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification to my channel. I'm still online. See you on the next video. Thank you so much, my people. Thank you.